Okay, actually, today we are just revising the chapter, the address. The address you have read previously, but as a revision for some students, I'm starting the chapter, the address. Address is a very beautiful story of a lady, okay, named Marga Minko. Okay, the story is in two halves. Okay, pre-war and post-war. In pre-war, uh, a lady named Mrs. Dorling was a friend of the mother of the writer. By chance, she met Mrs. S. Mrs. S, the mother of the writer, Marga Minko. Okay, when the writer finds that lady in her house, she saw that that lady was taking the goods in the bag. She asked her mother, was she taking, why was she taking our goods? Now, Mrs. S replied, her daughter that she would take care of our goods. Okay, when the war would be over, okay, you can get back your items from her home. Okay, after the war, when everything becomes normal, she remembers the address of that lady of Mrs. Darling, okay, given to her by her mother. Okay, the address is 46 Marconi Street. Address is 46 Marconi Street. She just reached the address and reads it. She thinks that she is at proper address. Now she knocked the door or she pressed the bell. A lady just came out of the house, but she did not open the complete door. Okay, yes, whom you want to meet? She says that she wants to meet Mrs. Dolly. So this is the chapter. Okay, the conversation takes place between Marga Minko and Mrs. Darling. Mrs. Darling did not recognize the lady Marga Minko, or she was just ignoring the lady Marga Minko. But Lady Marga Minko, the writer, recognized Mrs. Darling because she was wearing the cardigan of her mother. No doubt it was faded after so many washing. But Mrs. Darling says that she had no time at this time. She had no time. She is very busy at this time, so she would come next day. So the girl thinks that Mrs. Darling is hiding herself. Okay, and he was not interested in giving her things which she took from her home. Now now Marga Minko, the writer, once again look at the address and she thinks that she was at the proper address. So how the lady Marga Minko looked at the things of her mother, we will study in this chapter. Okay, it's a very simple chapter, no doubt, and you will also enjoy it. Did you
सर
still?
एक्सक्यूज मी
Hello,
सर
बोलो.
सर अभी कुछ बच्चे वेटिंग पर हैं आप इनको इन कर लीजिए
Now joined all? Okay now? Yes. Do you still know me? I asked. I stand for the writer. Do you know me? The woman looked at me searchingly. Now the lady looked at me searchingly. Looked at me recognizingly. ऐसे मुझे, as he was trying to recognize me. She had opened door a thing. She opened the door a little. थोड़ा सा दरवाजा खोला. I came closer and stood on the step. I got close to that lady. No, I don't know you. I am Mrs. S. daughter. You don't know me, but I am the daughter of Mrs. S, who was your friend. She had her hand on the door as though she wanted to prevent it opening any further. Mrs. Dowling was not interested to open the door completely. So she closed the door. Her face gave absolutely no sign of recognition. Actually, Mrs. Dowling gave no sign to recognize the writer. मिसेस डॉलिंग ने जरा सा भी ये हिंट नहीं दिया उस लेडी को कि वो उसे जानती है. She kept staring at me in silence, but she kept on looking. She kept on staring at the writer. Perhaps I was mistaken. Writer thought that might be possible that I was at the wrong address. शायद मैं गलत एड्रेस पर आ गई हूँ. Okay. I thought perhaps it isn't her. Might be possible that this lady was not that lady. This lady was not that lady who had taken the goods from her house. Because it was a long time when that lady came to her home for taking the goods. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि बहुत सालों बाद हम तेरा भूल जाते हैं, है ना? बट एड्रेस वॉज द सेम, लेकिन एड्रेस वही था. यस, आई हैड सीन हर ओनली वंस, ओके, fittingly, but I saw that lady only once time I saw that lady. That was years ago. बहुत पहले की बात हो गई. It was most probable that I had rung the wrong bell. Might be possible that I would have pressed the wrong bell. The woman let go of the door and stepped to the side. Now the woman just get behind the door and stood on one side. She was wearing my mother's green knitted cardigan. Getting or not, that lady was wearing the cardigan of my mother. वो तो मेरी माँ का कार्डिगन पहने हुए थी. The wooden buttons were rather pale from washing, and on the cardigan there were the wooden buttons. Okay, and the button got faded after washing, after many washing. She was okay. She saw that I was looking at the cardigan. Now the lady understood that I was looking at the garden, and half hid herself again behind the door, and once again she hid herself behind the door, so that lady could not recognize the cardigan of her mother. Okay. But I knew now that I was right. But I knew that I was at the right address. Well, you knew my mother, I asked. Have you come back? Have you come back? Said the woman. I thought that no one had come back. I was not expecting anybody coming back from your addresses. Only me. Lady said, Marga Minko said, the writer said, I was only alive. So I came here. A door opened and closed in the passage behind her. दरवाजा खुला और बंद हो गया. A musty smell emerged. A very stinky smell was coming out of the house. अंदर से बड़ी गंदी स्मेल आई. I regret. I can't do anything for you. Sorry, Pita. Sorry, Marga Minko. I could not do anything for you. I have come here especially on the train. I have come here to meet you especially on the train. I wanted to talk to you for a moment, for a short while. I want to talk to you. It is not convenient for me now, said the woman. Sorry, I can't talk to you at this moment. I am very busy. I can't see you another time. Please come next time. She nodded and cautiously closed the door as though no one inside the house should be disturbed. Now she closed the door in such a way that no other person inside the house could be disturbed. अंदर जो लोग थे उसने दरवाजा इस तरीके से बंद किया कि अंदर जो लोग थे वो परेशान ना हो, डिस्टर्ब ना हो. I stood where I was on the step. Marga Minko kept on standing there on that address. The curtain in front of the bay window moved. Now the curtain of the window was pulled, was moved. Okay. Someone stared at me. Someone was looking at me. Would then have asked what I wanted. And that person asked that lady, Mrs. Darling, who was that person? वो आदमी वो इंसान कौन है? What she wanted? क्या चाहती थी? Oh, nothing. कुछ नहीं. The woman would have said it was nothing. Mrs. Darling said, oh, no. She did not want anything. कुछ नहीं चाहती थी. I looked at the same nameplate again. Darling, it said. I read the nameplate. Okay, it was the nameplate on which was mentioned Darling. Okay, and below it was mentioned 46 Marconi Street. The complete address was mentioned over there. Yes, in black letters on white enamel. The base was white and black letters were inscribed on that enamel, on that plate. And on the gem a bit higher, उससे जरा सा ऊपर the number 46. The number was mentioned 46 Marconi Street. As I walked slowly back to the station. Now I was walking slowly towards the station. I thought about my mother. While going to the station, the lady was thinking about her mother. I thought, who had given me the address years ago? Because the mother had given me that address years ago. मेरी माँ ने मुझे ये address वर्षों पहले दिया था. It had been in the first half of the war. It was the matter of before the war. ये war से पहले की बात है. I was home for a few days. I came home for few days. थोड़े दिनों के लिए मैं अपने घर पर आई थी. It struck me immediately that something or other about the rooms had changed. And when I came back to my home for few days, I saw the condition of the house. I saw the condition of the house change. I saw the changed condition of the house. मैंने हाउस की कंडीशन थोड़ी सी चेंज देखी, थोड़ी सी बदली हुई देखी. Yes, I missed various things. I missed various things. I could not see so many things in my house. My mother was surprised. I should have noticed so quickly. My mother was very happy that I noticed the change. I noticed the change in the house. माँ बड़ी खुश हुई. अरे वाह बेटा, तुमने तो बड़ा ध्यान दिया घर के ऊपर. घर बड़ा थोड़ा बदला बदला था, लगा तुमको. Really, I was very happy. Then she told me about Mrs. Darling. Then my mother gave me information about Mrs. Darling. I had never heard of her, but apparently she was an old acquaintance of my mother. I had never seen that lady earlier, but I was thinking that she was the old acquaintance. Old acquaintance means old familiar person या old friend of my mother. मैं समझ गई थी हो सकता है ये मेरी माँ की पुरानी कोई फ्रेंड हो, whom she had not seen for years. हो सकता है कि my mother had not seen her friend for many years. मेरी माँ ने अपने फ्रेंड को कई सालों से ना देखा हो. She had suddenly turned up and renewed their contact. And by chance, she again came in the contact of my mother and told her that she was her friend earlier. Since then, she had come regularly. And since then, Mrs. Darling started to come to our home regularly. तब से जो मिसेस डॉर्लिंग ने हमारे घर लगातार आना शुरू कर दिया था. Every time she leaves here, she takes something home with her, said my mother. My mother said whenever that lady comes to our home, she takes so many things with her to look after of all those things. मेरी जो फ्रेंड है आती है और कुछ सामान लेकर चली जाती है. शी वॉज सेइंग दैट शी वुड लुक आफ्टर योर आर्टिकल से कि वो हमारे सामान की देखभाल करेंगी. शी टुक ऑल द टेबल सिल्वर इन वन गो. इन वन गो मीन्स इन वन अटेम्प्ट. पहले एक बार के जाने में ही शी टुक ऑल द सिल्वर कटलरी. ओके, वो कटलरी मीन्स जो स्पून वगैरह होते हैं, फॉक्स वगैरह होते हैं, उन्हें कटलरी कहते हैं. She took the silver cutlery in one go from our house. Okay, and then the antique plates that hung there. She also took some unique, some antique plates. पुराने जमाने की प्लेट्स थी, वो भी सब ले गई थी. She half troubled lugging those large vases. Okay, she had trouble also. She took pain also. She also took pain for carrying all other antique things. It means by and by that lady was taking all the items of our house. धीरे धीरे वो लेडी हमारे सभी सामान लेकर जा रही थी. Beta, I want to tell you one thing. Listen very carefully. This chapter is quite easy, and you will try to read this chapter at your home. Okay? It means few pages you will read at your home. Okay? At least 2 pages you will read at home. Okay then. Yes, I am worried. She got a crick in her back from the crockery. I was worried because that lady also packed all the crockery in her bag. उस लेडी ने बैग में क्रॉकरी भी पैक कर ली थी सब कुछ ले जाने के लिए. Yes, sir. My mother shook her head pityingly. My mother was having pity on that lady and was telling me that just look at that lady. उस लेडी को देखो. She was just taking trouble. She was just taking trouble for us. वो हमारे लिए परेशान हो रही है because she was taking our things to be looked after. क्योंकि चीजों को लेकर जा रही है, परेशान हो रही है हमारी चीजों की देखभाल करने के लिए. चलिए, I would never have dared ask her, but I could not dare to ask her. मैं उससे पूछने का साहस नहीं कर पाई. She suggested it to me herself, but she just told me herself. She even insisted she wanted to save all my nice things because Mrs. Darling told Mrs. S that she would look after all your important things. वो तुम्हारी सभी जो valuable things है उनकी देखभाल करेगी. If we have to live here, we shall lose everything, she says. Okay, because during the time of war, During the time of war, if we will leave this place, our everything will get destroyed. वार के समय अगर हम ये स्थान छोड़ देंगे तो हमारा सभी कुछ खराब बर्बाद हो जाएगा. Have you agreed with her that she should keep everything? I asked her, Mom, did you agree? Or was you ready? Or can you expect that she would look after everything? Whatever she was taking from our home, she would look after everything. Do you agree with it? As if that is necessary, my mother cried. Why not? It is quite okay. Necessarily, she would look after our things. It would simply be an insult. It would simply be an insult to talk like that. If I would ask that lady that she would look after our things or not, it would be insulting for that lady. एक तो वो हमारी हेल्प कर रही है और मैं उससे पूछूंगी तो क्या होगा, उसमें उस लेडी की इंसल्ट होगी. So I could not ask her. And think about the risk. And just think about the risk. This lady is having risk. ये लेडी हमारे लिए रिस्क ले रही है because she was taking our goods. हमारा सामान लेकर जा रही है. Each time she goes out of the door with a full suitcase or bag. Every time that lady leaves our home with the full suitcase or bag. हर बार वो लेडी बैग और या सूटकेस में सामान भरकर ले जाती थी. My mother seemed to notice that I was not entirely convinced. My mother understood. My mother understood that I was not agreed. I was not inspired. It means Marga Minko did not agree with the statement of her mother. She looked at me reprovingly, that, and after that we spoke no more about it. Now she looked at me. Mother looked at me with a question. But after that there was no conversation between me and my mother. उसके बाद से मेरी और मेरी माँ के बीच में इस तरीके की कोई बात नहीं हुई. इस तरीके की about Mrs. Darling who was taking our goods. Meanwhile, I had arrived at the station without having paid much attention to things on the way. The writer was going to the station. And while going to the station, she was thinking all such incidents, okay, in her mind. And she was also not paying any attention towards the shop of the market. मार्केट में जो शॉप बनी हुई थी उन पर वो कोई ध्यान नहीं दे रही थी. I was walking in familiar places again. For the first time since the war. After the war, she was walking. She was walking on the same place, on the familiar place, because this city was also her own. ये शहर उसका भी तो था. Getting or not, so she was just moving on the familiar city, on the familiar street. But I did not want to go further than was necessary. But the lady, Marga Minko, the writer, was not interested to go ahead. I did not want to upset myself with the sight of streets. Actually, the writer did not want to be disturbed, to see all those things of that city. Writer अपने आप को परेशान करना नहीं चाहती थी उन सब चीजों को दोबारा देख करके उस रास्ते की. क्यों? उसको अपने पहले टाइम की यानी कि बचपन की याद आती जब वो यहाँ पर रहती थी. आता है ना, जहाँ कहीं भी हम रहते हैं, अगर वो जगह छोड़कर चले जाएं तो दोबारा वहां पर आए सब पुरानी चीजें रिमाइंड हो जाती हैं. यस और नो? ओके देन. And house full of memories from a precious time. It has been explained. In the train back, I saw Mrs. Darling in front of me again, as I had the first time I met her. Once again, I got the chance to meet Mrs. Darling in front of me again, as I at the first time I met her. जैसे कि मैंने उन्हें पहली बार देखा था, I also got a chance to meet her the second time. It was the morning, सुबह का टाइम था. After that day, my mother had told me about her, and my mother told me about Mrs. Darling. I had got up late. Okay, I got up late and coming down stairs, and I was coming down stairs. I saw my mother about to see someone out, a woman with a broad back. I saw my mother was going to see off that lady who was passing, who was going out of the house. मैंने देखा कि मेरी माँ उस लेडी को छोड़ने जा रही है जो हमारे घर से बाहर जा रही थी, उसको जॉब करने जा रही थी. Yes, the lady was quite broad from back. बैक से काफी हैवी थी. This is my daughter, said my mother. Now, Mrs. S told Mrs. Darling that she is my daughter. ये मेरी बेटी है. Okay. She beckoned to me. She turned and looked at me. The woman nodded. Oh, she's your daughter. Okay. Picked up the suitcase. As the suitcase उठाया. Under the coat rack, she wore a brown coat and shapeless hat. That lady was wearing a black coat and a shapeless hat. उसने ब्राउन कोट पहन रखा था और बेकार सा एक हैट पहन रखा था जिसकी कोई शेप ही नहीं थी. Does she live far away? I asked. Does she live far away? कहीं दूर रहती हैं? मैंने पूछ लिया. Seeing the